Hi Dax and Pau, greetings from Ireland. Congratulations and best wishes sa upcoming wedding nyo tomorrow or later dito. Just so happy naman na to know that you're getting married, and Leo got married and will soon be having a baby, and Harlon is getting married also soon. So masayang-masaya kami para sa inyong lahat. Enjoy the celebration. If in any case you'll be blessed with a baby, I know the baby will be very happy also because you'll be responsible. Anyway, enjoy life. Ikain nyo na lang kami. Sana kung papaksal kayo sa church, pasabi lang kayo para makapunta rin kami to celebrate with you. Okay, ingat. Regards to everyone dyan. Bye.